is Jackie Phillips, and this is how to use an eyebrow trimmer. The best way to trim your eyebrows is to brush them in place first, and then you're going to brush them up a little bit, and then you're going to just trim like so, just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit, just to give yourself that straight edge. And then you can brush down and just trim a little tiny bit of what you need. And the trick is to trim a little at a time. Don't go crazy, because once you cut it, you're done. And then you're gonna have to constantly fill it in to fix a big bad mistake that's gonna take a while to grow in. So make sure, do everything slowly, baby steps, brush it back, and then you could say, hey, this looks a little too bushy still, maybe I should trim a little more, or you know that you're good to go and stop. With eyebrows, you never want to go too much, do a little at a time. So make sure to also have a really great light where you're doing your eyebrows and doing your trimming, because that's going to make all the difference in the world. Another trick I like to do when I'm doing my eyebrows is I like to fill them in first, and then I do whatever I need to do with the trimming and then the tweezing and whatever, because then you already have the shape that you like, and then you can go around that shape. So that's basically it. So my biggest advice when trimming eyebrows is to be very careful. And this is Jackie Phillips. If you want some more tips, please visit my website at www.jackiephillips.tv.